Good day. I'm Midshipman Rat Learner Gapasin from BSMT NS1A4. Good day. So for today's assessment number 4 is about the solving the magnetic deviation through heading and through bearing. So the scenario is about I will gonna show the image and the specimen of deviation table. You can pause it uh, to see those two images. So now we can proceed to solving the magnetic deviation. So on the given, in the specimen of a deviation table, we cannot see the compass heading degrees of 235. So we must find the between of those two. So according to the deviation table, it is between 225 and 240 degrees of compass heading degrees. So now we can get those two and the deviation degrees of those two. So 225 degrees compass heading and the deviation degrees of 8 east. And the second one is 240 degrees compass heading and deviation degrees of 12 east. So now we must find the deviation degrees of 235. So so first one is the minus of both 225 and 235. So 10 and 225 minus 240 is 15. So same is x because we don't know. 8 minus 12 is 4. Now we must arrange it accordingly and wait, and we can cross multiply it. So 40 is equals to 15x, right? Then so 15x divided by both sides by 15, then x is equals to, so equals of 2.7 east. So after finding the x, we must add the 8 east. So 8 plus 2.7 is equals to 10.7 east. So this 10.7 is a deviation of 235 degrees. Now, the third question is about the solving for true bearing of the charted the light observed. So now after the finding of deviation of 235 degrees, so we must put 10.7 degrees east. So now after finding the deviation, now we can solve the magnetic heading. So 235 degrees plus 10.7 degrees east, we must add because it is east. Then if west, it is minus in deviation. So it equals to 245.7 degrees. Now because of the given stated in the scenario, our variation is 2 degrees west. So 245.7 degrees minus 2 degrees west is equals to 243.7 degrees. So our true heading is 243.7 degrees. So according to the problem, while steering 235 degrees PSE along Raccoon Strait, the block point light bore starboard quarter beam. So according to that, we must plot first. So here, as you can see, this is the our course line, because 235 degrees in Raccoon Strait, and here is our ship. So here is our ship. Then our starboard quarter beam is here, and this is the block point light. So after finding the true bearing of charted light, so we must find in the compass rose of how much degrees in true bearing. So here, as you can see, it is the true bearing of the charted light is about 10 degrees. So after finding it the true bearing, you must so 10 degrees, 10 degrees. Then so 10 degrees plus 2 degrees west is equal to 12 degrees. Then we can now solve the compass heading. Now 12 degrees minus 10.7 degrees east is 1.3 degrees. So that is our compass bearing for charted light in Blue Buff Point. So that's it for assessment number 4. Thank you.